All right, we'll jump in today. So the previous three design jams that I've done have both been for screens. So they've both been two landing pages, and there was a an app design. So just to kind of mix things up a little bit, I thought today um, we could do something slightly different. So just for those who aren't aware of what Design Jam is, Design Jam is going to be possibly a weekly, maybe daily. At the moment, it's becoming a daily occurrence, where I record myself designing landing pages, app designs, post designs, logo, packaging, anything design related. So each design is just for fun. It's nothing too serious. I had a few people again asking me if that costume design website I did is actually live and where's the link. It's not. It's just an idea. It's just a mock-up. So again, I really appreciate all the feedback, and let's just jump straight in. So I'm going to be 1 second. Going to be designing coffee cup or a tea cup. It's the same thing, a cup anyway. But the brand or logo that I'm going to do is around green tea. Um, so I just kind of put together a quick mood board here of some designs that I liked. Um, so just to kind of give you a feel for the direction that I'm going to go in. Um, I kind of like this design here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's nice and clean. It's minimal. I kind of like the spot colors. The blue against this gold color is really nice. The mock-up that I'm using is a mock-up that I got on Graphic Burger. It's free. It's from 2016. Um, and I think it's nice. It'll do the job. So basically what we're going to do is we're going for anybody who's unaware of what mock-ups are. They're basically just a kind of a kind of flat representation of a product. So for example, if I click into this and I make some change adjustments here, so if I move this over here and I move these guys around, save that, close, you go back in, you can see that the changes have been made here. So let's just go and start with the blank canvas. Let's just get rid of everything. So if I save that, go back in here, you can see that it's been totally cleared out. So now we start. So what I like to do now is we'll start with the logo. Following this kind of design here, let's just go. They've kind of got like trademark, logo, downtown, and then some information about the brand, and some graphics down here. So I think this is a nice kind of starting point. So for the logo, I'm just going to call it the Green Tea Company. So what I'll do now is I'll go over to flaticon.com and I'm going to look for leaf and something minimal is the kind of style that I want to go with. So I'm going to grab this, we'll grab this PSD file. Let's open that up. Okay, let's bring that in here now. So let's see where we're going here. Okay, so you can see very basic. Okay, let me just anybody, if anyone can hear that music in the background, I'm listening to the Willy Wonka soundtrack, just in case you're wondering. Big fan of Willy Wonka. Okay, so Green Tea Company, that's what we're going to call it. Green Tea Company, let's click this. And the font that I want to use is Futura. And let's see. PT, we'll go future medium. I think a bit of space might in. Okay, so let's give this a color overlay. I'm using Photoshop, just in case anyone's wondering. So just to keep you guys up to date, I just searched for like a mint color palette, because I want to keep the colors cool. So I think these are nice colors, and I think they can complement. So let's just use this green like this, and then as a background, which could be nice, is let's go here. Let's pull this down here. 1 second. Let's go with the background here. Let's change this color. Okay, just bear with me. Save that for a second. Okay. I know it looks like nothing now, but just give me a second and I'll make it look a lot better. So, green tea and the color. I'm just playing around here with sometimes it's fun just to kind of move shapes around and seeing how they look. Again, I'm just playing here, nothing is final yet. Just want to head over to free pick and just look for a pattern here. Okay, I'm just going to pull in some more information here. So the original T. Okay, so just keep playing around, experimenting until you're happy with it. Let's see, am I happy with the pink? Doesn't feel quite right. So what I'm going to do is obviously change that background to the dark green, or go light with it. I'll go with the lighter green. Then make this text. Yeah, I think that's. And then this, I just want to check to see how that looks now. Again, the goal was to make it minimal. Okay, so still think it needs some sort of pattern. Let's try a minimal pattern. What happened there? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see what this might look like. Let's get this free download. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, that doesn't look, it's terrible. Actually, do you know what we can do? If I take this, I have it. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to color range. I'm going to find the black part. Oh, help if this. Okay, go back in here, select. Where are we? Color range. Yeah, take that. New layer. And then if we okay, so a little bit better. Actually, what we can do is we can go back in here to this color overlay, and let's just look at different. Then doesn't need to be so prominent, so we can just push that to the back a little bit. So what we can do is we can kind of see it coming through, just a hint of it. So green tea here, actually green tea. Okay, I'm gonna bring this over here, and let's bring that back here. Now, how are we looking? Okay, it's a bit better. I personally, I think like that. Yeah, that's looking a little bit better. What we could do is green tea company. Let's take back where's our colors here? So just might be too much pink. Bring a bit of blues in there. Then save that. Let's go back into see if there's another leaf that I could possibly use, or just want to see green. Usually I would use grids and stuff like that, but just for the purpose of this video and to try and speed things up, I'm going to just guesstimate it. So established. Two 2018. Obviously we need to fix this color. Overlay. Okay, back in. Okay, I just want to go back into my inspiration board and just look at what else can be added in or taken out. I mean, that's pretty, like, just pretty much nothing there. Caution, very hot. Okay. All right, I think I know where I'm at now. Okay. Sorry for the radio silence. I'm just kind of trying to. I think this is too big. So I think I'm nearly there. Just one final check with my. Okay, back in. Let's duplicate this, bring this over here. That's what I might do. I might use this as a pattern. Let's duplicate that up. Bring this. Yeah. Okay. Nearly done. Okay. Finally, I think I'm happy enough with that. Let's go. Okay, let's save that out. Again, guys, this is just a design jam, and this isn't for a client, this isn't for anybody, it's just me practicing design live on Instagram stories in front of you guys. So thanks for following. I'm going to save it out, and I'm also going to save this story as a screen recording, so I'm going to upload that onto my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, subscribe to, one second when I save this out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll be of course posting all these videos up on the channel after I finish the live story, of course. It's also going to have my previous live stories there, so you can check in. I'm going to try my best to keep this varied in terms of content. I don't want to just keep doing landing pages and app designs. I will be doing those, but also I want to be doing, you know, logos and packaging designs and other kind of various bits and bobs. So let's just want to open this up here. So if I head over here, 1 second, design jam. Let's open this up. So this is, let's go full screen. So that is, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try and zoom in a bit. You see that? Yeah. So the goal was to create a green tea packaging for a cup, and I also wanted to come up with a sort of a logo. It's not a brand or anything, it's just a logo. With the green tea company, I used a bit of copy that I could find from another cup, and I think I have all the elements. I included the pattern from the logo as well, and I think it works well. So that's it. Thanks for following, guys, and I'll see you in the next design jam tomorrow. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, click subscribe and the notification bell.